Alright, art lovers, buckle up. I am Kalakar, and this channel is your portal to a colorful universe where I paint from everything between acrylics to spray paint. So grab your brushes, hit that subscribe button, and let's paint.